Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you all how I installed and styled this wig, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. This unit is from Hergivenhair. I received a 20-inch 13x6 lace frontal wig, and I believe this unit is called the Natural Glow Curly unit, but I will leave a link down below in the description bar. So first, I'm showing you how everything looked once I first received it. So here's how the inside of this unit looked like. As you can see, the knots are already bleached. They also have some combs in the inside, and they already attached the elastic band. And this is how the hairline looked. I did pluck it just a little bit more to my liking. Before I apply my wig, I'm taking my Sea Breeze and I'm cleaning up any makeup or oil that I may have on my skin. After I position the wig to my liking, I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting off any extra lace that's by my ears. After I finish applying my skin protector, I'm taking my lace glue and I'm adding a few dots going down on one side. Once I'm finished that, I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm smoothing out the lace glue, and then I'm going to go on the other side and repeat the same steps. And once my glue turns clear, then I'm going to apply my lace. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm just making sure everything is pressed in, and then I'm taking my lace band and I'm going to apply that for about 15 minutes. As I was waiting, I decided to add product to one side of the hair just to see how the curls was going to look. And honey, look at these curls. So once my 15 minutes was up, I removed my band and now I'm about to cut my lace. And I like to cut my lace into like 3 different sections, and then I go in with my eyebrow archer and I remove the lace. So y'all already know your girl loves baby hair. So I'm taking out a little of the hair in the front just to make some baby hair. After I separated my baby hair, I am taking my hairspray and I'm spraying it across, and then I'm applying my lace band one more time. So as I'm waiting, I'm about to style my hair, and I'm also adding products, and the only thing I used was water in the spray bottle, some argan oil, and some argan oil mousse. once I was finished, this is how it looked. So this is the final look. As you can see, the curls are gorgeous. Okay, and here I'm trying to show you all the lace, like how well it blends, and I forgot to do my baby hair on this side, but let's not look at that. Don't look at that part. Okay, so I will leave all the information down below in the description bar, so don't forget to go ahead and check out Hergivenhair. If you like this unit on me, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye bye.